Okay, class 10. Today we will continue exercise 12.3. In last class we did till question number 14. So today we will be doing question number 15 and question number 16. So question number 16 is the last questions from this chapter. So now question number 15. So it is very important for board exam. Question number 15. In figure, ABC is a quadrant. In figure, ABC is a quadrant. Figure is given. ABC is a quadrant. A, B, C. Of a circle, radius 14 centimeter. So radius of quadrant is 14 centimeter. This is 14. This is also 14. And a semicircle is drawn with BC as the diameter. Now considered as BC as a diameter. Drawn a semicircle. Semicircle. Find the area of shaded region. Okay. So it is given that the quadrant ABC is a quadrant. From BC, we drawn a semicircle with the diameter BC. So we need to calculate the area of shaded region. So this part. So area of shaded region. This part is shaded part. For calculating the shaded region, first we need to calculate the diameter of semicircle. We don't know that the diameter or radius of semicircle. First we will calculate the diameter of semicircle by using Pythagoras theorem. So this angle is 90 degree. So here radius of quadrant in solution. Radius of quadrant. Radius of quadrant, it is R, equals to, we can take it as capital R, equals to 14 centimeter. So this equals to AB equals to AC. AB equals to AC. Now from right triangle BAC, from right triangle BAC, using Pythagoras theorem, BC square equals to AB square plus AC square. So BC equals to root under AB square plus AC square. Now put the value BC equals to root over, what is AB? AB is 14. 14 square plus 14 square. If x square plus x square is 2x, so similarly, we can see that 14 square plus 14 square is 214 square. So BC equals to root over 2 times of 14 square. So BC equals to, now 14 has pair but 2 doesn't have pair. So we can take out 14 from the root because of square. So this equals to 14 root under 2 centimeter. So diameter is 14 root, diameter of semicircle is 14 root under 2 centimeter. Now calculate the radius. Therefore, radius of semicircle equals to, it is small letter r, equals to 14 root under 2 by 2 centimeter. So this equals to 7 root under 2 centimeter. So this is the radius of semicircle. Now we can calculate the area of shaded region. So for shaded region, first we have to calculate this part. So area of shaded region. If you subtract this triangle from the quadrant, you will get this part. Again we have to subtract this part from the semicircle, you will get shaded region only. First, quadrant minus triangle, we will get this portion, only this portion. After that, semicircle minus this portion, we will get shaded region. So therefore, area of shaded region So radius of quadrant is 14 centimeter. Therefore, area of shaded region equals to area of semicircle minus inside the bracket area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Okay. Inside the bracket we will get this portion. Area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Area of quadrant minus area of triangle. This portion is left. So from now subtract this portion from semicircle. Inside the bracket only this portion is left. After that we will subtract this portion from area of semicircle. So we will get shaded region. So this equals to, so area of semicircle formula is 1 by 2 pi r square. Inside the brackets, the area of quadrant is 1 by 4 pi capital R square minus area of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. Base is AC, height is AB. Now close the bracket. So this equals to 1 by 2, value of pi is 22/7 into radius is 7 root under 2 into 7 root under 2. Now we can remove this. Okay, now inside the bracket 1 by 4. Now value of pi is 22/7. Then radius is 14 into 14 minus 1 by 2. The value of AC is 14. Value of AB also 14. Answer is in centimeter square. Then this equals to 1 by 2 into 22/7. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 7 into 7 is 49. Minus here 7 1 7, 7 2 14, 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 1 2, 2 11 22. 11 into 14 is 98. Not 98. 14 10 140, 14 11 154. Minus 2 1 2, 2 7 14, 7 14 98. It is 98 centimeter square. So here 717, 7749, 212, 212. 20 into 7 is 154. Minus, now open bracket, it is 154. Minus into minus is plus 98 centimeter square. So minus 54 plus 54 cancel. So 98 centimeter square. Now this is the answer of question number 15. It is very important for board exam. 4 marks. Now move to question number 16. Okay, question number 16 is calculate the area of design result in figure. Common between the two quadrants of circle of radius 8 centimeter. Okay, there are two quadrants. Question number 16. Now one quadrant, this is one quadrant, this is a quadrant. Now this is another quadrant. This is quadrant. So it has a radius 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Here also 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Now there are two triangles. It is a design made by two quadrants. So we have to calculate the area of design. So for area of design, area of quadrant minus area of triangle will get this design, this portion. Okay, area of quadrant minus area of triangle gives this portion from this side. Area of quadrant minus area of triangle gives this portion. Now we will add. If you add this, you will get the area of design. So radius of each quadrant is radius of each quadrant. Quadrant R equals to 8 centimeter. Now this is A, B, C, D. And AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD equals to 8 centimeter length. Now we can calculate the area of design. So therefore area of design equals to area of two quadrant minus area of two triangle. There are two quadrants. Area of two quadrant minus area of two triangles. We will get design. So area of two quadrant minus area of two triangles. So area of two quadrant is 2 into 1 by 4 pi r square. Area of two triangle is 2 into half into base into height. We can take any base into height. So this equals to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. This equals to 1 by 2, value of pi is 22 upon 7. And radius is 8 into 8. Minus, we can cut 2 here. So B is 8 into height is also 8 centimeter square. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4 8. Now multiply this. 88 into 8 divided by 7 minus 64 centimeter square. Now we can take LCM as 7. 7 is LCM. 8 is 64. 8 is 64. 706 minus 7 428. 7 6 42. 44. 448 centimeter square. Now subtract this. 706 448. 16 minus 8 is 8. 9 minus 4 is 5. 3. Not 3. 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. It is 2. So this equals to 258 divided by 7 centimeter square. Now this is the answer. Okay, this chapter is over. For next class, I will start surface areas and volumes. Thank you. This was for today.